Here's the easiest E-Math factorization question that you can do. So here you have a 2023 O-Level E-Math question 12, where they ask us to factorize completely. So looking at the first one, what we can observe is that we'll be able to factorize out a common factor. And how we should consider this is, pay attention to the like terms. So between x cubed and x, what is the highest power we can take out? So there's x cubed and x, right? Which means the highest one is only x to the power of 1. And we do the same for y as well as y cubed. So between y and y cubed, it will be y as well. Then that's when we will proceed on to fill up what are the remaining terms inside. So we still have x squared left below and y squared left for the second term. And you can also check back by multiplying these terms back in to see if you get the same answer. Moving on to part 2, we can see there are 4 terms. And usually when there are 4 terms, we can think about grouping method. So how do we do grouping method is that I'll usually observe the first 2 terms and then the third and fourth term. So between the first 2 terms, what are some common factors that we can factorize out? Okay, and between 15CD minus 10CE, we do have a 5C. And we are left with 3D minus 2E inside the bracket. We do the same for 12d squared minus 8de, and we have 4d as the common factor with 3d minus 2e inside. But at this point, you have to realize that we are still not factorizing them enough because there's still a plus sign in between. And usually after the grouping method, we will have these 2 terms that will be the same. That's when we can factorize these terms out over here to have the remaining 5c plus 4d right here. And once you reach this stage whereby between the bracket there's no plus or minus, then you have fully factorized a certain term.